this. Going to show you today is fighting from extreme close quarters and the tools that you have that people don't know that they have them. You know, incidental strike, concussive clinches, all restricted striking. But understand that restricted striking and being ballistic, for example, this motion is very tiring. In the beginning, when you just crash into each other, you get this fucked up tangle or fucked up tango. You have still energy left for that. But if you wrestle for 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, now this explosiveness will disappear very fast. Wrestlers in my book are still the people that have the most conditioning. So I want, if somebody is on top of me, I want him to feel this wrestling with me having spikes everywhere. Everything is painful. I'm not just grabbing, I'm hitting while I'm grabbing. I'm not manipulate the head. I will smack it in the side of the neck. So we're going to touch this lightly first. We're going to do the same drill we did, but now with incidental strikes. Because I want to have you off me very quick. If somebody is on you, and maybe he chooses to wrestle, and if you don't notice and he goes to a knife, how much does this change the dynamic of a wrestle game? Exactly, so you want to get him off very quick. I'm just touching lightly. The sound will be there, yes? So instead of playing with Mark and finding the right position, why don't I just hit him in the head here, incidental strike, slap him here, get this incidental strike, and he does the same. Very uncomfortable, right? Yeah. Fucking shit. Every time you bump head, throw head, his OODA loop is reset. OODA loop means observe, orient, decide, act. Because when I did this, boom, 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 you see it's taking time. Shit, I have to do something back. It takes time. It's overwhelming. Slap the neck, bounce the head, pull, clinch as hard as you can, side clinch ballistically, all that dirty tactics. So I had no mouth protection, and the last one was very good. He bust my lip. You see? Blood. Fine by me. But I should wear mouth protection. This will not be that. Not a grab. Smack him as hard as I can in the neck. But also this. I'm not doing it now, but I want to overstretch if I can. Like, boom. Everything boom becomes rough as soon as you're on top of me. Make sense? So don't waste that. Don't do it for now for real, because this is an absolute dick move if you overstretch the arm. Especially if you go underneath and I'll do that, boom. It will fuck up his arm. Please don't. But here we can have a lot. Now, if he's on top of me, and let's say I want to hit him, I can work from this position, yes. But if he's holding my upper lat, or maybe he's stopping my arm, or maybe we ended up here, could also work. There is no hit. What I can do in that case is open up. And I'm not opening up only with the arm. I use lateral motion. So I get the pop in. Very uncomfortable. So you open up. Now I can maybe go to impact, or if I don't, I open up, I will slap him in the neck while I'm knee him in the dick. So this is just 50%. If you might let me know. I don't know. Fuck you. So it's this dynamic. If you can add that shit, this is not available now. When I pop, it's available. See, if the pad was not here, boom. I just restart it. So we start from clinch. Pop. Yes. Try to make it incidental. So I can make it extra dirty by teeth together. Clinch, pop, but not doing it all the time. Because it's very uncomfortable, right? Do it 50% first. You see, you have to be quick. So I'll build it up. Now if he allows me, one more time. Yeah. This hand. So this could be literally, he's in range, he's coming forward, and now it create collision effect. This could be me in conversation range, closing him down first, because I want to have control. Makes sense? Now you have to pay attention to the hands. If I do this and there's a knife in the hand, I have a problem. But this could be maybe from the clinch position, that there is no incidental strike. Makes sense? And this is the tool. I'm not doing it over and over again because it's shit. Yes?
Yeah.
So, boom, hit. Go! But let's say somebody's way taller than you, it's not always available. There is no neck. So what the fuck do I do then? Then I try to clinch as hard, or first even low line. But you can also combine it. So if I strike with the knee first, head comes down, I can now clinch. Yes? But I can also do it the other way around. So when I clinch first on the high line, I give a new stimuli on the low line, and now I can do the cool shit. Makes sense? You have a clinch, and now in this case, what is the best position for me now is this knee. That's the closest target. This one is the hardest, but I want to go from boom to boom, that. Yeah. So it makes him think. Now I can do pop, and now it gets me over it. Yeah, that's why we count, and now we go to the elbow. So first I would clinch, knee, pop. Yeah, you know the cycle now? Yeah. So the hold drill would be, hold drill would be, right? Again, clinch, flow. So flow that. A little loft up to the nuts, so he thinks about that. Now you can pop. If you like this content, please follow and subscribe. If you don't like this content, move on, bitch. Or too much?
Too much.
Too much. If you like this content, please follow and subscribe. If you don't like this content, move on, bitch. If you want an online course, hit the link below. If you really want to know how you should do it, look at the comment section from the Keyboard Warriors. See you next week.